Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. How are you? It's Friday. It's movie night, pizza night, all that fun stuff. It's exciting. Hope you're all being healthy and staying safe. Today is the fastest way to make full-time money online. So if you want to get to full-time earnings online fast, you need to watch this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and notified when I do a video. You want to make sure that you do that. And thank you all you new subscribers. You guys rock. Awesome. The channel's growing. It's awesome. And my businesses are growing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're sort of stuck in the mud in your business, message me, reach out to me. Maybe I have some solutions for you. But today we're going to talk about the fastest way to make full-time money online. And what's really important about it is that basically success loves momentum, success loves speed. So you want to be able to do things fast. And I've talked about free methods of traffic. Well, let's back up there. How are you going to actually earn the income online? Well, there's many ways you can do it. You could have a store online, you could have a coaching business online, you could have a tech company online, like you do. You provide services like web design or this kind of thing. All those to me are not really recurring income, right? I want something where someone has to pay a subscription, and when they pay that subscription, I'm going to continue to get paid every year from them. So this is why, if you look at the insurance business, right? They make money because you keep buying the insurance every year, so they make their money. People with big insurance books are, when they retire, they're pretty much set for life, because that continues to go. People continue to invest in their insurance, or maybe online it's a server company, or anything that has a subscription based, right? Like our internet service providers, our telephone companies, our whatever it is, your cable bill, right? The people are making money from that because it's a recurring system. They set up the whole system and then they charge you to use it. Basically the same thing. Well, but what I like to look at, the niche that I really like to work in, is basically the niche of making money online and the training about marketing online. That is probably for me the most profitable business there is. Health and wellness, absolutely. Health and wellness is very it's a huge industry. The thing with health and wellness though that I find is people jump, they try this one program and yeah and it works for a little bit, and then they're like, oh, this next one that comes out, and they try that. It kind of happens in the make money online niche as well. But if you find the right sort of system, people can use that system to then do all the bright and shinies. Like, for example, one of the programs that I recommend, they're doing TikTok training, right? Like they came out with a product that is TikTok training, and it's a great way to get people to introduce to our training. So it's not like it's passive. It's not like a one-time thing that people just pay for and it continues on. It's like you have a subscription to continually being fed this new information about marketing. When Instagram came out, when Snapchat came out, when TikTok came out, whatever is next that's going to come out, this is what they're going to be looking for, ways to market. Because basically social media it's just a place where people gather to look at stuff. It'd be like, think about it. People do billboards because people are on the highways, right? So you drive on the highway, you see the billboard, you get advertised to. People put advertising on TV because everyone wanted to watch their favorite shows. Boom, you put advertising there, right? So social media is the same thing. People like to go on Facebook. Boom, we put advertising there. You're always going to get marketing in a place where people gather. It's just that's how marketing works. Okay, so now that we kind of know that, what we're looking at. So we're looking at affiliate programs. I'll put some links to the ones that I join. If maybe you have your own that you want to do, and you can use this method for that, or you can basically join the ones that I'm doing, and I can help you out get set up with that. So the fastest way to make full-time money online is by actually throwing money at your business. Just like any business, any startup business or anything like that, you need to find what you have and you need to throw money at it to get people to see it. It's not going to happen organically. Not saying you should not be doing the organic building as well. You need to be doing the organic building. That's going to sustain you long term. But at the beginning, you need to put money. Like, I just bought another solo ad. It wasn't great. I got a whole bunch of opt-ins, but cost me like $110. I got about 120 opt-ins, but no one moved past the bridge page in my offer. So I'm kind of like, well, that's traffic probably that I'm not going to go back to. I'll go back to other traffic sources where I know I'm going to pay like $100, $200, $300, and I know that a percentage of people will go past the bridge page, and then a percentage of people will purchase into the program. And once they purchase in the program, I will probably make anywhere from, $1 to $10 every month from that person. So one person will pay for that basically that solo ad in 12 months or whatever. You just continue to do that, and you build and build and build on it. And what happens when you're able to build on that, you get to actually start talking about your successes. When you start talking about your successes, that's where you move that, you take that success story and you put it into your organic traffic. So you start doing videos, you talk about the success you had, here's how I did it, here's how I did it. And then you're going to be getting organic traffic, which is basically free traffic, because maybe you charge yourself for the time to make a video or to write a blog post. But once that's out there and you've talked about it, people are going to get it. So if it makes sense to you, if it's not making sense, then write a comment below. But here's the thing. Let's say you get into a brand new program. Today is May 22nd, right? So you join a brand new program on May 22nd. You're going to take some time orientating yourself around the program. Maybe it takes you a month to sort of figure out what it's really about and learn all the sort of curves. And most programs, the programs that I do, have training in them. So now that you've sort of figured out and you understand the whole process of that business, now what you're going to do is you're going to go buy some traffic. You're going to go check out the links below. There's a couple different places to buy traffic. Basically, you're going to go buy some traffic. You buy like 100 clicks or 200 clicks or 300 or 400 clicks. You're going to send traffic to your offer, your page. Do not send it directly to your affiliate link. You need to build a landing page. The good thing is, it's all the landing page, all the businesses that I promote. That's all taken care of. They have the landing pages for you. You can plug in your autoresponder, which is a place that collects the emails, and then it's going to do the emailing for you. So unlike a ClickBank or like a Digistore or an Amazon that has no marketing set up for you, the programs that I promote have all the marketing set up for you. You just basically have to plug in your information, and then the whole system does it. And guys, the solution to getting, you ready for it? Are you ready for how you become successful? More traffic. Being persistent and sending more traffic at it. And I mean a lot of traffic. It takes a lot of traffic in order to convert someone into someone to become a salesperson. Now, one of the big mistakes a lot of people do is they will offer an audience or a potential opt-in a crappy free product or something like that, right? Well, there's two things that happen there. A, you don't give them a very good quality product, so they're not probably likely to want the stuff that you're offering. And two, you're giving them something totally for free. And when unless it's a really, really good product that's free and has a really good upsell in it within the free system of it, I don't recommend giving free stuff. A ton of people say, oh, get my ebook, get my ebook, get my ebook. Yes, you can do that. But really you want to condition your list to buy something from the very beginning. And this is called a tripwire. A tripwire is a very low cost item. It's $1. It's a $7. It's a $19 thing. It's something that's very small that they're willing to purchase in order to learn whatever it is. And from there, now you've added someone onto your list that is a proven buyer. Will they buy again? Well, the percentage of chances they will is yes. Someone that opts in for just free stuff all the time, it's way harder to convert them to a paid thing because they're out there looking for the free thing. When people approach me about business and they're like, well, what business can I get in for free? I'm like, I'm not interested in working with you, because their mentality is like, they want to get something for free, right? They want to get a business for free, and then they want to make money. And I'm like, well, how are you going to do that? Because you're going to attract like-minded minds. So you're going to attract people that are looking for free stuff. So stop. Like that's the opposite approach. You're basically making an endless circle of freebie seekers, and you're going to get really frustrated and disappointed, and you will basically quit. You won't do the business because all you're doing is attracting more and more people that want free stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some links below of the programs that I belong to, and two of my favorite traffic sources that I think have had for me the best conversion. So if you want to follow in my footsteps, you'd want to do the programs that I do. I do three key programs. I do basically a business suite. I do a marketing training company, and I do a network training company. Those are my three main programs that I promote. I promote multiple things, but I drive them all back to those main programs. Within those programs, there's actually multiple streams of income, right? Each of them have different products that they can buy within the system. Some of them use other services outside of the system that pays a residual income. So they're actually beautiful programs to promote. They've been around for a long time. They're not any sort of like fly by night thing. They're not rehashed old training that's just copy and pasted training. No, it's all legitimate stuff. And then the best thing is, I bet you 9 out of 10 of the top leaders that you see out there are either still involved in these programs, or they went through their programs before launching their own program. That's just the way it is. So that's what I have for you guys. Check it out. Check out the links below, and send some traffic. And if you have a really good program that you're really happy with and you think it's doing well, then use my traffic sources and send some paid traffic to it. Remember, success likes speed. Actually, success loves speed. So the faster you can get more traffic to your program, and you can get that momentum where you can then talk about your successes and then produce that into organic, you're just going to snowball your effect. And basically that's how you're going to get to the next level much quicker than just trying to do an organic free style online business, because that takes time and it still takes money. You're still going to be buying content or making content, and I personally think my time is worth money. So, all right, guys, that's what I have for you. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll probably jump on and do a couple videos this weekend. Not sure. Last weekend was a long weekend. I took the weekend off. This weekend, yeah, I'll probably get on there. But generally, my weekends are like I do it or I don't. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depending what the family wants to do and that kind of thing. But definitely Monday through Friday, I'm on here. Please remember to subscribe and share the video. And thank you again, all my subscribers. Thank you, all the people that have joined my programs recently. Again, if you have any issues, reach out to me and just let me make sure I can help you solve your issues. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.